Hi, I'm Tas Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainer here at the Institute of Personal Care Science. And today I'm going to show you how to make a cooling aftershave gel. Now let me show you how to put it together. Okay, so firstly I have my water phase here, and to this I'm going to add some propane diol. This is going to help condition the skin, which is really important after shaving as your skin can get dry and a little bit flaky. So we do want a humectant in here to help condition it and also protect the skin from transepidermal water loss. Now to build my gel, I'm going to be using some Sepi Max Zen here by Sepic. This is one of my favorite polymers. It creates really nice stable polymers. It's quite durable and it's also pre-neutralized as well, which makes things easy. Now this will not hydrate straight away, so we do need to stir it to wet the polymer and disperse it, and then it will take some time for it to fully hydrate. Okay, so here's what my polymer is looking like once it's fully hydrated. As you can see, it's created a nice viscous gel. Now next I'm going to be putting together my oil phase. So I've got my polysorbate 20 here. So this is how we're going to incorporate oils into a water-based gel. I've got here some jojoba oil, some grapeseed oils. This is going to help provide a bit of emolliency and conditioning to the skin as well. And the polysorbate is going to solubilize those oils so they go into the formula quite well and they don't like sit on top of the water. And just some tocopherol here. So I'm just going to give that one a good mix until it's homogeneous. Now you will need to be careful with the amount of solubilizer you do use, because if you do use too much, it tends to make things sticky. So you will need to be careful of that. And also careful with the input of lipids that you use as well, that you're not using too much, otherwise it won't be stable enough. And that's started to turn our gel quite milky looking, almost like an emulsion. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding some of my actives here. So I've got some allantoin. This is a really good soothing or anti-inflammatory active. It's a good anti-irritant, which is really good for an aftershave product, as your skin can get a little bit dry and irritated after shaving. So this is going to be suitable for either the face or even, you know, shaving your legs and stuff like that as well. So it's going to be good for both. I've also got some aloe vera extract here too. This is cooling, soothing, and also hydrating. I've got my preservative here. And I'm just going to give that one a bit of a stir. Now, my star ingredient here, which is going to be predominantly adding the cooling effect, is this Fiber Design Citrus by Cargill Beauty. So this is actually made from lemon peel and also lime peel. So it's a new and it's a patent texturizer for cosmetics, and it's also upcycled. So a really good ingredient there if you want to use it in a sustainable formula or an upcycled formula. It's 100% naturally derived, and how it's made is it's combining an upcycled lemon and lime fibers and biofermented sclerotium gum that achieves a highly performant texturizer. And it also gives a really long-lasting cooling effect as well when applied. And it also has a quick breaking texture for easy spreading as well, which is perfect if you're going to use it as an aftershave product on your legs, because that is a big volume of skin that you need to cover, so perfect for that. Now, the supplier's recommendation here is to add this under high shear to get into the formula. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my gel into a beaker here, and then I'm going to use my homogenizer to work it into the gel. Now, the Fiber Design is also hot and cold processable. But of course we're just going to use cold process today because we don't have any other materials that require heat in this formula. Okay, and that's our gel all homogenized there. As you can see, it's thickened up quite a bit after adding the fiber design. So as always, we're gonna cover and leave that and let it sit until the next day, just to check for any signs of instability. Okay, and here is what our cooling gel is looking like the next day. It has still maintained its really nice viscosity there, nice gel viscosity. It's all nice and stable. It actually feels beautiful on the skin. It's really nice and buttery and emollient. It's not heavy and it's nice and light, and it's quite cooling as well. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to put together a cooling aftershave gel. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating.